Dad of the Roads LLC is a mobile tire shop. A mobile tire shop, also known as a mobile tire service or mobile tire repair service, is a business that brings tire-related services directly to the customer's location rather than requiring the customer to go to a physical tire shop. The primary goal of a mobile tire shop is to provide convenience by offering on-the-spot tire services at a location chosen by the customer. Here's an overview of how a mobile tire shop typically operates. Convenience. Mobile tire shops are designed to make tire maintenance and repair more convenient for customers. Instead of taking the vehicle to a brick-and-mortar tire shop, customers can have their tires serviced at their home, workplace, or another location of their choice. Services offered. 1. Tire repair. Mobile tire shops can address common issues such as flat tires or punctures by repairing them on site. 2. Tire replacement. If a tire is damaged beyond repair or needs to be replaced, the mobile service can often provide new tires from their inventory. 3. Tire installation. This includes mounting new tires on the wheels and ensuring proper balancing. 4. Tire rotation. Rotating tires regularly helps ensure even wear and extends tire life. Customers typically schedule appointments with the mobile tire shop for a specific date and time. They provide information about the location where the service is needed. Mobile service vehicles. Mobile tire shops operate service vehicles equipped with the necessary tools, equipment, and inventory of tires. These vehicles are equipped to handle various tire-related services on site. Payment and documentation. Customers pay for the services provided, often using methods such as credit cards or other forms of electronic payment. The mobile tire service may provide a receipt or documentation of the services performed. Emergency assistance. Our mobile tire services offer emergency assistance, providing help with flat tires or other tire issues, especially in situations where customers are stranded on the roadside. Overall, a mobile tire shop is a convenient solution for individuals who may not have the time to visit a traditional tire shop or for those who experience unexpected tire problems and need on-the-spot assistance. It's a service designed to make tire maintenance and repair more accessible and hassle-free. We are the mobile tire shop that comes to you.